I'm going to start by giving a summary of where we are in terms of risk appetite. Overall, we are within board-approved. Overall, we are tracking within board-approved limits. 1 minute. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to start by providing some background to these numbers. They still have to go through some assurance. The external auditors have already started looking at January to September. The next step is to audit these numbers that I'm going to present to you today. Overall, we are tracking within board approved limits. You have 15 seconds. Good afternoon, everyone. I will start with a bit of governance background on these numbers. They still need to go through some, the numbers became available after CPM, which was the first week of February. So these are still fresh off the system. They will still undergo assurance. No, you can't say that. Oh gosh. Can't say that. Fuck, Mapaseka. Okay, I don't want this. 1 minute. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to start with the governance process behind these numbers. They still have to go through they still have to go through some assurance out. Starting with on the first slide. How do I make this go away? Hi.
Hi, Mapaseka. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good, thanks. So, I'm standing in for me, and I didn't get the pack. So, if you can maybe just share that with me.
Okay, I'll try to get it. Anything else that you would need?
No, I asked if there was anything from her side, and she said nothing. So, I hope there is no surprise where we need to speak to something in the meeting.
Yeah.
But I did ask her whether there was anything, and she said there was nothing.
Okay. I'm gonna send you the pack now. I think I know where it is.
Okay, thanks, Mapaseka.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
There's 1 minute left. This is your last shot. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. And just a little bit of governance background to these numbers. And they will still undergo further assurance, and the external auditors have started looking at January to September. The next step is for them to audit the numbers that I'm about to share with you now. The nation performed really well in 2023. The numbers, the facilities more than doubled. That is just one facility, because we used to have... Hello? Take a lot. Okay, I'm coming. Bye. Malilo! Isa ko! Ari ako, Jimmy. Sama ko pala makuloy. Oh, rola ditlhako pele. Rola ditlhako pele. Angela, what do you want to do at gym?
Swim.
Okay, let's go. Rola ditlhako isa. Rola ditlhako. Kanet.
What you said, gun it?
One it.
Have cheese? Can I have cheese?
Hmm?
This cheese?
Kosiam.
Okay. Cheese?
Kosiam.
My.
Sa go le dombi mara bona ya ka o ja ka re sa ntla o bona dijo. Fetsa go tlhafuna pele re tsamaya. A re palama koloi.
The next word is
The next word is act. To ACT means to do something. Second meaning, to act in a play or film by pretending to be someone. Second meaning,